If you're a skilled artisan or a skilled handicraft maker, you can make huge sums of money every month selling your handicraft online. Even if you are not a handicraft maker, you can also sell other people's products online and split the profit between each other. There are several websites online that you can easily upload your handicraft products, sell them, and make huge profits easily. All you need to do is to take pictures of your handicraft products, register with those websites, and upload your handicraft products on those websites. After uploading your handicraft products on those websites, you now need to fix your price for your products on those websites. Examples of websites where you can sell your handicraft products are Etsy.com, eBay.com, Amazon.com, Folksy.com, and iCraftGifts.com. So these websites that I just mentioned are marketplaces where you can sell your handicraft goods and make thousands of dollars every month. So make sure that you produce and create high quality handicraft products and sell them on those websites. You can also create your own website or e-commerce store and sell your own handicraft goods. You can do this if you don't want to use those websites to sell your handicraft products. So you can use Shopify website to create your own e-commerce store and sell your handicraft products. You can also promote your e-commerce website on all social media platforms to increase sales of your handicraft products. So make sure that you are very active on social media so that you can easily sell your handicraft products through social media. So that's all for today. Please subscribe to this channel and click the bell notification button so that you can get the latest information about online businesses. Also like and share this video so that your friends and families can also learn how to make money online. Remember to ask me any questions that you have on the comment section. Ask me any questions on the comment section so that I can answer them immediately. Also remember to watch other videos on this channel so that you can learn different strategies that you can use to make money online.